Hey guys, back with the last part of the 204 restoration. In this video I'm starting with preparing up for the MOT, which I'm already 5 months late. But anyway, the back seat is back to its place after a year and a half since I stored it. It has only 2 metal pieces mounting it to the body, one on each side. I started the engine and went to my first stop at the gas station. You can see that the price is 7.7 shekels per liter, which is around $2. You can make other conversions depending on where you're from. Before heading to the MOT, it's best to take her for a little drive and warm up the engine. Trust me, she is feeling brand new. The steering, the suspension, the engine, even though it has only 50-something horsepower, it feels like enough. So on the MOT, the first thing they checked was the chassis number and they couldn't find it. It is embedded above the washer reservoir, but because of the paint thickness, they couldn't find it. I just told them, trust me, I replaced everything but the chassis. They continue with the list and wonder why I don't have reverse lights.
אין רוורס פה. שנת 72. אין גם אור ברקס אמצעי.
I told them it's a 72 model, which doesn't have reverse light, third brake light, or rear seat belts. It's funny how people are so used to work on modern cars and don't know the history of the regulation they check every day.
עלי המכסה חשוב לסגור.
Next thing was brake test. Front.
כן. סוף שיפוץ.
Rear. And parking brake. The funny thing about the next stop is that the employees instructed me, out of habit, to put the car in parking.
פארקינג בטח, תומר. פארקינג.
And they are looking for any play in the steering and suspension. And I don't exactly know what is the last part of the check, but it feels like an amusement park to me. When we finished the test, he told me that Gisselle didn't pass the test because of air pollution, and I should adjust the carburetor. So the next thing I did was asking for help from my friend who has the right equipment, and we just adjusted the carburetor once again until the HC and CO parameters were right. The next thing we know, she passed the test. But we are not done yet. I want to give her a good shower and then polish everything before the final touch, which is the chrome stripes on the body and the emblems. I made a full video about the products and the method I'm using to polish my cars. You can watch it by clicking somewhere on the screen or head into the description of the video. Anyways, I'm tired of talking. The last thing is a personal request from me. I put a lot of effort into these videos, hours and hours from filming, editing, and working on the car. If you like these videos, give it a like, comment your thoughts, and watch the other videos of the project. It helps them reach more people who will enjoy them as well. And now, I will leave you to watch the rest of the process as raw it was. Enjoy!